We are here at the 1123 Saint Casimir with Hector Santiago, Hector the Connector, who is talking on behalf of some residents that they have concerns with quality of life. Hector, tell us what's going on here.
Hey, good morning. So again, thank you for coming and helping us voice these concerns. So as many people know, this was the district I had ran for, and so I'm still in contact with a lot of the residents of the district, and we've been hearing a bunch of complaints about this glass being broken for almost a year already. Complaints have been made to maintenance. Nobody's getting back to them. I've been told that the officials have been made aware of. I can't confirm nor deny if that's true, but I would love to bring this to the attention of the city officials and to see if they can help the residents here get this done. The hallways are freezing. It messes up all the other apartments that are around that apartment because the cold, especially now when there's a really big breeze, there's glass and debris that falls down to the issue. It's super dangerous to have that glass broken that way.
Hector, so this also impacts the safety
of
100%. Children that might be walking
children,
on the
seniors, or anyone that's around in the area. If it's a strong storm, the glass
be falling down.
Yeah, the glass falls constantly, and again, this has been here for about a year. You know, this was the same building that a lot of officials knocked the doors out and flooded with campaign literature, but we would love for them to come and check this out and hold the management accountable. This isn't the only building. There's a lot of buildings throughout Yonkers that don't have the opportunity or the resources to reach out to some type of help, and so this is just one of many. If the city officials could come check this out or hold the management accountable, that would be amazing. We've tried making several complaints and reaching out to them, but we've gotten nothing in return. But again, you know, at any time you could come talk to the residents and see how they're feeling about this. Again, it's messing with the quality of life of everyone around that apartment. Again, the hallways are cold, the other apartments are cold. The heat is rarely on, and so that's just, you know, kind of what I wanted to shine light on.
Now, Hector, I want to play a little bit of devil's advocate. Because
Correct.
Look, I get a lot of calls of this nature, and I always ask those that are calling me if they have done the first step. And the first step, to me, is call the building department.
Correct.
Call management.
100%. So before me even getting to, you know, Yonkers Voice of Public, I try my best to educate the community and the steps to follow. So when I do get a call or something, I tell them about, you know, the building department. I tell them who their representative is. I tell them who their management is. I sit with them and make the calls sometimes with them. And so after going through those steps, then I come and I try to bring social media, or I, you know, shine light on it in other ways. But educating the process is one of my biggest steps, and so and most important steps. And so it's been numerous complaints made to management and numerous complaints gone unheard.
Well, you know, I don't want to be accusatory towards anyone, but this is where actions, not words, matter. Because we know that before election, meaning a month, 2 months ago, they were all over. Every building, talking to people, and tell them that they're going to be helping them in whatever they need.
100%.
Reach out to us if you need it. Well, we are reaching out.
That's it. And you know, this is like I'm Hector the Connector. I've been doing this for 10 plus years. I'm going to continue being an advocate for the people. And I hope that, you know, someone gets to see this, one of the officials. I'm sure they will. And just come and take care of this. Hold them accountable. We want a better community for everyone in the community. And again, you can talk to any resident in this building. This has been like this for about a year plus. All type of weather, hot, cold. Even now, it's freezing. I have gloves on. And the windows is completely broken. If there's too much of a draft, you're gonna have glass broken, falling. You know, so again, if anyone's watching this, please hold them accountable. This is me trying to do my part and just advocate for the people that live in this building.
You know, Hector,
there's also people around. If you ever, I don't know if you want to ask this gentleman.
Hector, you know, with all these new demarcations of zoning district areas, I'm not longer sure who represents these. I believe at one point was Corazon.
Yeah, with the redistricting, now this is this is Tasha Diaz's building.
Okay.
Yeah, she campaigned here. She left flyers everywhere.